Hello there. Today I'd like to show you all my truck. I'm doing a long-term review on my daily driver. It is a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado LS. The color is forest green metallic. The tan interior. I'll go ahead and start it up. So it's got 199.5 thousand miles, almost about to hit 200,000 miles. You might have noticed the aftermarket head unit. I had ordered a dash kit so that the head unit looks a little bit more factory and fits. This originally had one of those 1.5 size GM radios from the time. This does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now you do need to connect to this device via USB port, which is in the glove box. Power outlets, as well as an ashtray. 2 cup holders here up front. Brand new center console lid. Very roomy center console. These break a lot in this truck, so I went ahead and found a brand new one at a swap meet. Center seat. You can actually fit a decent sized person here. It's quite comfortable. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. This is a Vortec 5.3 liter V8 from General Motors. Very reliable engine. I've had 0 problems with this engine. Only thing I've had to replace was the water pump. Aftermarket LED headlights, as well as aftermarket headlight assemblies. When I first got this truck, it had extremely oxidized headlights, and it had 20-inch aftermarket rims. I went ahead and found a pair of stock wheels. I also threw on some fender flares, and I painted the rocker panels in a black bed liner to hide some of the scratches that had happened there. Now this vehicle is the standard bed, was referred to as a short bed, but it's technically the standard bed. It is 6.5 feet. Largest bed you could get is an 8-foot bed. You could also get a 5.8 foot bed. This one is the standard bed, of course. These tires are a year old. They are Michelin all-terrains, very good tires. Go ahead and step inside. The headlights of this truck are automatic, but pushing the dome light override button 4 times disables the automatic headlights if you don't wish to have them. Auto dimming compass tap rear view mirror, works great. No mirror on this side. Storage bin, you can put your sunglasses there. If I failed to mention, all interior bulbs of this truck are LEDs. Let's go ahead and hop in the back. Starting in 2000, for these extended cabs, technically called the EXT cab, they added this door opening too. So originally just one door opened, but now both doors of the extended cab open. With the seat back, there's a decent amount of room here. It's very usable. It's good for small trips. Sunshades on the windows, and these do pop out. No cracks on the dashboard, by the way. And if you're sitting in the back with the front door open, you can go ahead and pull your door handle so you can get out. For those wondering, this truck has been very reliable. I've only had to replace the water pump and 4 tires. The rest of the truck's been great. Transmission shifts strong. It drives very nice for a truck with 199,000 miles on it. These were very well-built trucks, and I honestly feel that they're better built than the newer trucks General Motors has been putting out. MagnaFlow exhaust. CARB compliant, so this vehicle does pass a California smog, which is very important if you wish to register it here. I've spent most of my work just cleaning this, detailing it, polishing the paint, as well as putting a sealant on it. Occasionally I do wax it. I use a spray wax. Most of the stuff I've done is cosmetic. Again, painted the grille and bumpers black to match the black fenders. I put on those window vent shades, which are very handy. I recommend them on any vehicle, especially a truck, if you're gonna, go camping or go outdoors with it. These trucks are very reliable, and not too often you see a clean one for sale. So, yeah. I don't want to get rid of this truck. I do love it, but I am looking at some 4-cylinder pickup trucks because I need something a little bit more fuel efficient. I don't necessarily need a full-size truck at the moment, although it has been nice. Anyways, thanks for watching.